Hello everybody, I want to show you this video some hidden secret codes of the Samsung Galaxy A7 version of 2018. So for that we go on the dialer to enter these codes, and yeah, we need the dialer here. So then let's start with the software info. So it's *123*4 and finalize it with a hash, and we are now in the software mode. You see the software version and so on and so on. And let's go back and go now to the software and hardware information. So *12580*369 and a hash. So now we have the software and hardware information. So but the next feature is very nice, I promise you. So you just go on *0*hash. So because now we are in the testing mode and you can try a lot here. So first of all, we can test the screen. Red is working, green is working, blue is working, and test the receiver. There's no mosquito in your room. So if you want to off, just double tap the arrow. So then you can check the vibration, constantly vibration. Do what you want with that. And now go to the mega cam, it's the rear cam. So it's working. Just always double tap here, no? Then the grip sensor. It's working. So then the sensor, the basically sensor, the magnetic sensor, the gyroscope sensor, the light sensor, you can test it here. Nice feature. Double tap. And now we are at the touch. So that's a nice game because you have to make all these buttons green. I'm cooking if I can do that. And if you have it green, you can access it. Oh, wow. I've started so good. This is the last one. Okay, now off. A nice game, huh? Yes, okay. Okay, the next one is the speaker. We will listen to music. Sounds well. The sub keys. They're working. Also with the arrow double tap now. So then the front cam, now you know how it works. It's working. You see also the LED light is turned on, or should turn on at your phone. Then the HAL IC, don't ask me what that is. So go on exit. And then the screen turns into black. Works also if you have a problem with the display, if the display runs out. So you can come back with the power button here. Yeah, that's it. So the next point is the battery mode. So let's go back to, also double tap now. So let's go now to the battery mode, *0228 and the hash. And we are now at the battery mode, and you can see the battery status. So the level, yeah, don't do that quick test here because you can have problems with. And yeah, let's go back, and that were the secret codes of the, or some secret codes of the Samsung Galaxy A7 in version of 2018. Yeah, maybe if you want, you can give me a nice comment or leave me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.